gently closing the eyes. And just take a few moments just to settle into the space around you, noticing different sounds. And then as you bring the attention back to the body, noticing how the body feels. Starting at the top of the head and just very gently scanning down through the body.
Hi, hello, good morning. I just wanted to kind of give you guys some book updates. If you watched my last vlog, then you probably know I have been reading Parade by Rachel Cusk, and I mentioned that I was confused in the first two sections of this book because I didn't really read the back, so I didn't know that all the characters in this book are all named G. So I was kind of confused when it kept switching between, like a male and then a female. So I was pretty confused with the storyline. And I am now on page 161. And now I have gotten way more into this book, especially the third and the last section really is catching my attention, and I really love how the storyline is going so far. I think the whole plot and then just the look into all of these different artists' life is really intriguing to me, and the way that she is explaining each character in ways is also super intriguing to me. But I'm almost done with this book, and I hope to finish it at least today or tomorrow. And since I'm almost done, I ordered a new book online, so I thought we could open it together. Also, I made a poll on my Instagram stories, and I asked which book I should read next, but Powerless and Madame Bovary is stuck at 50% each, so I need someone to break the tie for me. So please let me know down in the comments which one I should read. But I think I'm gonna add this one in too, because I have been eyeing this book for forever, and finally I found it on sale, so I just went ahead and bought it. I ordered Madonna in a Fur Coat, and I thought this book was way bigger, but I guess I was wrong. It looks like a pretty short, fast read, but I have been seeing this book everywhere online, and so I decided to kind of search about it and just read some reviews on it and see if it sounds like a book I would enjoy. And it really caught my eye, especially by just reading, this part on the back. So I'm kind of considering just starting this one because it is a little bit of a short read, so I can have a tiny break before I jump into a bigger book like Powerless or Madame Bovary. So yeah, please let me know in the comments which one you think I should read, but I think I'm gonna start with this one after Parade. But anyways, I've been having a slow morning, just doing my routine, and also I have a new addition to my little room. This is my new little baby. I hope that I can take care of it well because it's my first a live plant, and I'm pretty sure it's like a rubber tree of some sort. But yeah, I'm super happy with this. It's so cute and it fits my vibes so well. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready for the day, do my makeup, and pick out my outfit for the day, and see where the rest of my morning takes me. This is the outfit of the day. I just went casual. The skirt is from Shopsider and this top is from a Korean brand called Autumn Product, along with the belt. And probably I would just leave my hair as it is because I'm going out later on in the evening to run some errands, and I already know it's gonna poof up if I let it down since it's a rainy day. And probably with this outfit, I will wear this polka dot tote bag to just add some color and texture. But yeah, this is the outfit of the day.